Hello everyone, welcome back to another GIS statistics lecture video. And in this lecture video I want to walk through sort of a calculated example of the nearest neighbor. Right, and so before what we said was that the value of some unknown, in this case our purple point unknown here, is going to take on the value of whatever existing point we have that is the closest in distance to that point. Right, that's conceptually what nearest neighbor does. So when we say distance, typically what we mean is we mean Euclidean distance. Right, and what, just in case you're confused, Euclidean distance is basically summed up by the following equation. y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. Right, so this right here, this is the equation for Euclidean distance, where y2 and x2 are the x and y coordinates of one point, and y1 and x1 are the x and y coordinates of the second point. So this distance right here is this distance right here. I've gone ahead and done the calculations ahead of time just because this is not as important as understanding this. So this is our example right here. We have 3 points, A, B, and C, and we can see the coordinates 4, 4 for A, 3, 2 for B, and 2, 5 for C. And we have this unknown point here that's sitting at the point 2, 4. And again, visibly, we can see that you would most likely go with this point here. But let's talk about how we would figure that out mathematically. So the way that would work is we would calculate the distance between our unknown point and every point in the data set. And then we would look and see which one of these is lowest. Well, if we look here, right, AD, so that's A to D, has a distance of 2. B to D, so that's this one here, has a distance of 2.23, which is even greater than the distance to A. And then DC, which is this one right here, has a distance of 1. So we're going to see this, we're going to say, well, this right here, this 1 right here, this is the lowest distance that we have. So we're going to take this value from C and we're going to stick it into the unknown point, which means that what we're going to do is we're going to say that this distance right here, this is the shortest distance right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, well, whatever value, right, whatever z this point has, we're going to now give it to our unknown. So the value coming out of nearest neighbor for this point here is going to be 8. Hopefully that makes sense. Again, nearest neighbor is pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.